Aloha, YouTube. How are all you investors doing today? My name is David Yansen. Welcome to my channel. Today is November 1st, 2020. It is Sunday, and my trackyourdividends.com website is not working very well. I contacted them just to know if they knew about the problem, but for some reason, all these numbers are wrong. Zoom in some more right here. So portfolio value is off, dividend yield is off, yield on cost is off, and annual income is off. So I'll do another video next week if the or the end of this week, I guess. Today is Sunday. If they get this corrected, otherwise I'll just wait until it gets up to date. And the problem with it, of why it's wrong, is when you scroll down here and you look at all my holdings, you can see AMT, which is American Tower Corp. It's a real estate investment trust. It shows that its dividend yield is 0, which isn't true. So, and this isn't the only company that is like that. We scroll down here and go over to Equinix, another dividend real estate investment trust right here. It says dividend is 0 as well. Consolidated Edison, ticker symbol ED, the utility company. No dividend payment for them either. Or not payment, but dividend yield. And the same thing for Ecolab, ticker symbol ECL, right here. So those are just 4 of the companies that aren't reporting their dividend yields. Also, none of my ETFs are reporting a dividend yield either. So I do like the update of the look of the website. Before, it had, a bunch of colors and lines and stuff like that, which I thought was nice for YouTube, because somebody might see the bright colors and go, oh, let me check that video out. But so this layout actually is a lot better. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot more professional in my opinion. So I do like that about it. But in the making up of all of this, either updating the website design, or just doing a regular update, or maybe there's just a glitch, which happens from time to time on these websites that are just running automatically. Seeking Alpha, I've mentioned in my previous videos, has glitches, it seems like, almost regularly, for the actual number of years that a company is paying their dividend, and sometimes even the dividend yield. So, and sometimes it doesn't even show the next dividend payment coming up on Seeking Alpha. So, not uncommon with these websites. So, I won't do another dividend tracking video until this gets fixed. Otherwise, because none of the numbers are wrong, or none of the numbers are wrong. All of the numbers are wrong. So I did update it from the buys that I made this week. I added to AbbVie, I added to EA Sports, I added to Activision Blizzard, and a couple other companies in my Robinhood portfolio and my Fidelity portfolio. So you can check those videos out in the playlist if you want to see what I added to this last week. And I probably, not 100%, but I'll probably be making some more buys this week as well too, just depending on how the stock market is. I'm assuming the stock market's still going to be down, because even though the election is this week, it's probably, in my opinion, probably not going to be decided on the night of the election. Might not even be decided this week. So stock market will probably still be down on the fact that we don't have a new president elected. So just check my other videos for other earnings reports videos that I will have out real soon here. Still have some companies reporting earnings that I own. And then I'll have the rest of my other holdings, Google and I can't even think off the top of my head, but Google is one of them that I haven't done the earnings report for. So I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you had an even better weekend and Halloween. Mahalo and aloha.